All aboard! Mastering the concept of transfer in public transportation. Hello language learners! Today we're going to explore an important term in public transportation, the transfer. Understanding this term and how to use it will help you navigate public transportation systems with ease. In the context of public transportation, a transfer refers to the act of moving from one vehicle or line to another during a single journey. This might occur when you take a bus to a train station, then ride the train to your final destination. That shift from bus to train? That's a transfer. Let's look at some examples of how to use the term transfer in a sentence. 1. I need to transfer from the number 5 bus to the Red Line subway. 2. The easiest way to get to the museum is to take the train and transfer to the 10th Street bus. 3. Be sure to check the transfer times to avoid long waits between vehicles. Along with the term transfer, there are other related terms you should be aware of. Transfer point, the place where you change from one mode of transport to another. Direct transfer, a situation where two vehicles meet at the same point, and you can easily move from one to the other. Transfer ticket, a type of ticket that allows you to use multiple vehicles or lines on a single fare. Remember, when planning a journey involving a transfer, always check the schedules for each vehicle or line involved. Make sure your transfer times align to avoid waiting or missing your next vehicle. That's it for today's video on transfers in public transportation. I hope this clarifies the concept and you'll find it easier to navigate your journeys. Until next time, happy travels and happy learning.